ready to hit the delete button on your Instagram account for good. This video is your essential guide to permanently removing your presence from the platform, and it's easier than you might think. First, understand that deleting your Instagram account is permanent. This means all your photos, videos, comments, likes, and followers will be gone forever and cannot be recovered if you're sure this is what you want. Let's dive in. You can't delete your account directly through the Instagram app. You'll need to use a web browser on your phone or computer. Open your preferred browser and go to Instagram.com. Log in to the account you wish to delete. Once logged in, navigate to your profile page. You'll usually find your profile icon in the bottom right corner on your profile page. Look for a button that says Edit Profile and click on it. On the Edit Profile page, scroll all the way down to the very bottom. You'll see a link that says Temporarily Disable My Account. This is not what we want, but it's a step in the right direction. Clicking that link will take you to a page designed for temporary deactivation. On this page, you'll now see an option to delete your account. Click on this. Instagram will then ask you to provide a reason for deleting your account. Select the reason that best applies to you from the drop-down menu. After selecting your reason, you'll be prompted to re-enter your account password to confirm your identity. Once you've entered your password, click on the Delete button. You'll see a final confirmation message stating that your account will be deleted. Instagram allows a grace period of 30 days during this time. If you log back into your account, the deletion request will be canceled after these 30 days. Your account and all its data will be permanently removed from Instagram. So remember, once you confirm deletion, you have 30 days to change your mind after that. There's no turning back. Take control of your digital footprint and manage your privacy effectively.